if you ever fall into a body of water, or if you get into a crash where your car is on fire, you would sort of hope that you could unlatch the seatbelt and get out. But if you're in a Ford Escape, that might not work. What if this happened instead?
I'm gonna have to cut it. I don't understand what it did.
Well, this thing should give slack, but it's locked and it won't unlock.
Well, that's really bad. I just don't understand what it is. It broke?
Yeah, it's.
Well, they're gonna have to give me a new seatbelt. Here, let me cut it.
Okay, let's just do this already, because it's choking me.
Is it cutting?
It's the stupidest thing ever.
That's just the dumbest thing I ever saw.
I'm gonna take it back to them and show them. Like, that's like bad.
Thanks for cutting me out, because it was choking me.
I know, honey. All right, let's.
I did not know how
I'm gonna tell
when
you.
I take my seatbelt off.
It's ridiculous.
Mom, when I take my seatbelt
It
off.
got stuck.
Mom, when I take my seatbelt off,
Here.
it went around me and tied
I know.
it.
I don't know why it did that. Here.
The fact is, if we were submerged or the vehicle was on fire, my son probably would have died. And you would die as well if the seatbelt locked up on you like that and you couldn't get it off and didn't have a knife handy. I did tell Ford, and they sent me their form letters and yada yada. It didn't sound like they were all that interested. So the only thing I could do is warn the public, make sure you carry scissors or a knife, so you can cut yourself out of the darn seatbelt if it happens to lock up on you when you crash.